Okay, pretty side first. So this is going to be a Martin style adapter for Corvair engines. It would be a draw through turbo adapter for a twin turbo setup is what I designed it for here. So standard flanges, probably going to about double the height of your carburetors currently. Maybe not quite. I'm still working on the actual dimensions of it. This is really just proof of concept, something that I kept envisioning and hoping that it will work. So it is basically two 90-degree adapters on top of each other. And then in between, there will be a reed cage, if you will, and we can use some sort of either a carbon fiber or other reed material, just like a two-stroke dirt bike would use on this here. As you can see inside, without the cage, it just all goes straight through, which is kind of cool also because if you wanted to run it as just a regular um, carburetor, you could cap these and then cap this, and you basically just have a giant phenolic spacer, depending on what material I get this made out of. So, again, it's a Martin style system, so during vacuum operation, idle, whatever, it's going to just drip fuel through the reed straight into the engine. So shouldn't be any throttle response issues, and it should idle basically the same way it does stock. And then under boost, the reed will close and you'll pull air and fuel into the turbo, and then it'll pressurize into the cylinder. So that's it though. It seems like a really simple thing, and I'm surprised I haven't seen anyone do anything like this. The idea would be to run the two turbos. First of all, small turbos. We're going to utilize small pipe. We want very little surface area, and we are using a length of pipe. So turbos would be mounted where the mufflers would normally be, and so there will be a little bit of turbo lag, but I mean, I'm not sure. I've seen people run turbos way further away. The only difference is here is that the fuel and air mixture is going to be passed through the turbo, so that distance could make a difference. But again, the point of the Martin system, I guess, would be to negate some of that lag, or at least throttle response issue. So again, it's just a concept that I thought would be cool to work on, and I don't know. It turned out way better than I thought it would. I'm probably going to 3D print this just to see how it looks to scale, and then I'll know exactly how the carburetors will sit and how the linkage and everything will line up. But I'm hoping that everything will work pretty much factory. That's the idea anyway. So